Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here today in our fab shop here in Hallsville, Texas, to give you guys a look at kind of a start to finish look at the steel process. It's the steel fabricating process for a custom barndominium. A lot of people ask us and want to see the fab shop, see what goes on out here, so we thought we'd show you guys the process from where everything's delivered to our yard out here. When we bring them in here to the fab shop, everything from cutting, fabricating to welding, everything, the entire process, we want to give you guys a look at it. So let's head over into the fab shop and show you guys some different aspects of the fab of steel for a custom barndominium. All right guys, so once we complete the sales process for our barndominium, the next thing that we're going to do is we've got to order everything to get that build started. We're going to order windows, overhead doors, but most importantly, we're going to order the steel and components for that particular barndominium. Now you can see here behind me, we've got basically our yard out here where we keep all of our steel. We've got our 18-wheeler ready to load up and haul materials if we need to, but we get steel into the yard here just about every day of the week, and we get in raw materials, and then from there we're going to bring everything into the fab shop. We're going to cut to size. So we have erection drawings and construction drawings to let us know sizes that we need, and we're going to bring everything in here and custom cut to size and cut angles for our roof pitch and whatnot. So we bring everything in here. Once we get everything fabricated, you can see that we'll stack it back out here in the yard by the house name. So whoever's home that is, we keep everything grouped together. When the time comes and we're ready to deliver, we're going to load it up on our truck and we're going to send it out to that job site and get that build going vertical. All right guys, so the first step in getting the steel inside the fab shop and ready to go is we're going to put everything on our pulley system here, and we're going to wheel everything in and get it ready to cut. Now what you see Mariah doing right here is she is basically touching up all the ends and edges and making sure everything's smooth for the weld, because this is just a raw piece of steel that we've gotten in shipment. So what she's going to wind up doing is rolling everything in here, and she has measurements that she has to cut and angles for roof pitch and whatnot that she wants to cut using the machine that we'll go in here and show you in just a second. But all she's doing now is prepping everything for the welding later and getting everything smoothed up and ready for a good finish. All right guys, so once Mariah gets everything cleaned up and we've got everything ready to wheel in here, we're going to now start cutting everything to size. So based on our drawings and based on our erection drawings, we're going to take that steel, bring it in, and what Mariah does, as you can see, she's got marked here. Now this is just a C channel that they've got. This is not an I-beam that we're cutting right now, but when we come in here and we've got an I-beam, say with a 4-on-12 pitch, she's going to be able to come in here, get everything squared up. She can actually adjust the machine that she has here for her roof pitch. So if she wants a 4-on-12 or 5-on-12, she just makes her mark where she needs to be, her longest point, and then she's going to take the machine and adjust it to a 4-on-12, 5-on-12, whatever the pitch of the roof is. But this is the process that every piece of steel that comes in here, and this is why we get custom homes. We're going to come in here and custom cut, custom fit everything for your home to meet your specifications. All right guys, so one of the final pieces of the puzzle is the trim work for the home. So what we've got here is a Talma machine that is basically, instead of us having to manually shape and form the trim work that goes around the house, whether it's a rake trim, eave trim, J trim, whatever, we've got the machine here that does all the work for us. So we can enter in all the data that we need as far as what type of trim we want to make, what shapes we want to do, what our roof pitch is, any dimensions that we need to take care of, and the machine basically walks us through and does the work for us. So this is how we get all the trim work done for those custom homes. We can enter in dimensions and sizes, and the machine does all the work for us. All right guys, so we're out here in the yard now looking at a finished product. We're going to talk for just a second about the base plates and the clips that we have on these I-beams here that are ready to be shipped out. Actually, these are C channels and I-beams. So this is a load that we're getting ready to put on the 18-wheeler and ship out to a job site. Wanted to point out a couple of things. You can see some of these are flat, some of them are angled. You know, that depends on roof pitch, height of the building, and other things. There are other factors that go into that. But we've talked in some of our other videos about being a bolt-up construction, and these base plates are what are going to match up with the anchor bolts on our foundation. So we've shown you in some of our videos, we've walked around and show you how we have to protect those anchor bolts to be able to mount these I-beams up, and these are the plates that are going to sit on top of those. As far as the clip goes, these are for our Z-purlins. When we get ready to put that roofing structure up, one of the things that we do to stabilize the I-beams when we put them up is we run those Z-purlins across there, and these clips allow us to mount those directly to the I-beams and stabilize everything for our roofing structure. So that's going to kind of wrap up a look at the finished product here. We're going to head inside and wrap up our video for this week. All right guys, so that's going to wrap up our video for this week. We just wanted to give you guys a look at what it takes to bring a custom home together. Again, these are not cookie cutter houses. These are built specifically for the homeowner based off what their needs are. We wanted to give you a tour of what the process is from start to finish. So hope you enjoyed the trip through the fab shop today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. You can leave questions or comments below in the comment area. We'd love to hear from you guys. You can check us out on our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And of course, you can go to our website, 1845barndominiums.com. You can request some information from us, and we can tell you how to get your dream home started and how to get the process started for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. See you guys again next week.